Hello, listeners. Today I shall share an interesting story of historical rivals between Lothar and Mendeleev. Coincidentally, they have given their theories in the same time frame about the periodic table. Let us begin with.
Actually, Mayer was born in 1830 and died in 1895. And Mendeleev was born in 1834 and died in 1900. So just switch it. Okay, I will tell you one thing. लोथरमेयर मैं जूलियस वर्ड यूज नहीं करता, याद रखिएगा जूलियस वर्ड लोथरमेयर ने खुद हटाया था. He never used to write his initial name. He always used to apply Lothar. Right? I don't know the reason behind it, but he himself have written that I prefer to write as a Lothar rather than Julius Lothar. Anyway, Acha, he is a German professor. He's a German professor, and this Mendeleev is a Russian fellow. हाँ. Now देखिए इन दोनों में लड़ाई किस बात की. After the Colossae Congress, now everyone has started to think about periodic table. It was a Newland who has come with some point with a fashion way that every eighth element have the musical similarity, so it will have that. But it has been discarded because it's not covering a broad spectrum of the element, right? Then Germans has come into the picture. I will tell you one thing. Germans and English person, these are the two persons who are very prominent to the science that time frame also. Russian were also doing good, but unfortunate part was that their language, right? And they do love their own language, and they whatever they want to do, they want to do in their own language. Differ to us, where English is a symbol of status now, and if you are not able to explain in English, means तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता. ऐसा होता है. We don't even belongs to Hindi. We don't belong to Marathi now. क्या है इंग्लिश बोल रहे क्या, ऐसा हो गया. बट अब जस्ट इमेजिन करिए मेंडलीफ के बारे में मैं एक चीज बोलूंगा और मेयर के बारे में बोलूंगा. सी अगेन द कॉन्फ्रेंस हैज बीन कॉल्ड, राइट? इन कॉन्फ्रेंस दे हैव मेट इट. Since that conference was been set up by a German organizer, right? So the first opportunity come to Lothar Mayer to deliver a lecture. इसको हिंदी में बोलता हूँ ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. किसी जर्मन ने ना इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को ऑर्गेनाइज किया था, तो सबसे पहले लोथर मेयर को इनवाइट किया गया स्टेज पे. Then he explored his finding and he told the same thing which was I have discussed just now. He simply told that the physical property are the periodic function of atomic weight. So two important thing has come. One, physical property, and another is atomic weight. What does they want to do? Like if you are going to put the element to arrange in the increasing order of atomic weight, they will be by default kept it in the way of physical property. यही चीज इन्होंने भी बोला था कि physical and chemical property are the periodic function of atomic weight. दोनों ने एक ही चीज बोली थी. But luckily it was a mayor who got the platform to share his findings, right? काफी appreciation हुआ. But Mendeleev was sitting there. He got angry and he told that this same finding I have been already published 2 years before. Just imagine what Mayer told that time to that Russian fellow. Yeah, Mendeleev. He told that, don't you feel that you are expecting too much from me to go and read a Russian journal? Just imagine it was a platform where he is sharing this knowledge, and he simply told that, don't you feel you are expecting too much from me to go and read the Russian journal? एक लैंग्वेज पे कमेंट हुआ. तो और उस समय जर्मन्स वेर वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड, और जर्मन जर्नल काफी लोग पढ़ा करते थे. सो इट वाज अ वाइड स्पेक्ट्रम व्हिच हैज बीन कवर्ड बाय मेनी साइंटिस्ट एक्चुअली. सो मेयर वाज गेटिंग अ पॉपुलैरिटी, राइट? एंड ही टोल्ड, मेंडलीफ नाराज हो गए, राइट? एंड यू डोंट बिलीव मेंडलीफ डजंट इवन शेयर हिज फाइंडिंग ऑन दैट प्लेटफॉर्म, और गुस्सा होके वो अपने देश आ गए, राइट? Then Mendeleev connected to one German professor and he told that, can you able to translate this particular part in German? He told, why not? And just the same findings which has been published in the Russian Chemical Society, same thing he has transformed to German, right? अच्छा, अब सबने पढ़ा. Who has published first? It was Mendeleev who has published first. But undoubtedly, both were not knowing. आज के टाइम होता दोनों को नोबेल मिल जाता. But unfortunately, both were not knowing, right? But they have claimed that I have done it first. It was not a matter of who has published first. It is a matter that who precisely explained it. Okay, Mendeleev won the battle. Why? Because Mendeleev has put some vision also, and his vision was that in some spaces he find that the elements are not matching to each other. I mean that the neighboring atom is not matching with the another neighboring. So what he has kept, he kept a blank space, and he told that in coming future, if the element is going to be discovered with this atomic weight, right, with this property, it will be occupy these positions. That was the vision which won the battle, and periodic table has been called on the honor of Mendeleev. Where the problem kya ho gayi, that time frame when war was going on, right? And his college, he was in Polytechnic actually. So in the Polytechnic, he started to serve the wounded soldiers, right? And he doesn't even publish because he was very, he was very happy that my findings has been appreciated, and that time the country was facing some war-like situation. So in that, he was serving to the humanity, and he told that later we will do. Unfortunately, he died in 1865. Sorry, 1895 he died, राइट नाउ देखिए यहाँ पर मेंडलीफ का कुछ एक किस्मत भी ये थी कि मेंडलीफ वाज कीप अलाइव, तो कई सारे ऑब्जेक्शन आए, ऐसा नहीं है कि मेंडलीफ की पीरियोडिक टेबल ऐसे ही एक्सेप्ट हो गई, नो, so many objection has been asked. Fortunately he was alive, so what he said he tried to rectify those problems and he put it in the periodic table, right? But the moment any objection used to be started, Lothamer was nowhere, right? So वो जवाब कैसे दे? And that's why Lothamer has lost the charm, and Mendeleev has come forward, and everywhere everyone knows that periodic table was given by Mendeleev. But if you will see, the promising factors which has been come across was also being shared by Mayer. Physical property का पहला लॉजिकल अप्रोच किसी ने दिया था तो वो थे मेयर. अगर मेयर ने पहले पब्लिश कर दिया होता, सो इट माइट बी अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. आज आप ये सुन रहे होते पीरियोडिक टेबल किसने दिया, लोथर मेयर ने. बट एनीवे, so what I want to confine here, first of all, you should focus on your own language. You see, Mendeleev Russian थे, he published his finding in a Russian journal, and on the basis of that he got the fame also. And second more thing is that who is doing at the right time. Even though he was having a result, but he has not been published. That's why he has been superseded by Mendeleev. So these two important things is that one, language, and second thing is that do it promptly. वो कहते नहीं आज का अभी कर दो वही वाला है. That's why the mayor has won the match. Now I have written also here. Mendeleev was the winner. Why? Because he has published first. Secondly, in addition, Mendeleev predicted the unknown element. I told you now that was the another vision which has made me, which has made him, great player of periodic table. The third one is that even though the periodic table was not 100% correct and new element used not to be kept in correct order, but who else? No one was there, right? That's why Mendeleev got a popularity. And if you will see the element about 27 and 28 and 52 and 53, you will come to know that what.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and share button. Do subscribe the channel for many more interesting videos.